In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the ringtone sound on an iPhone. So first, go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you're inside, scroll down a bit and tap on Sounds and Haptics. This section controls all the audio feedback on your iPhone, including ringtones, alerts, and vibration patterns. Next, tap on Ringtone. This will take you to a list of all the available ringtones on your device. You'll see the default ones provided by Apple, along with any custom tones you've added. From here, simply tap on any ringtone to select it. Your iPhone will play a preview so you can hear how it sounds before setting it. Keep trying different options until you find one that you like and want to use for incoming calls. Once you tap the ringtone you want, it's automatically set as your default ringtone. There's no extra save button or confirmation needed. The change happens immediately. You can also explore the classic section at the bottom if you want older tones, or add your own custom ringtone by syncing with iTunes or downloading from the App Store. This gives you a lot of flexibility to make your phone sound exactly the way you want. And that's it. Open settings, go to Sounds and Haptics, tap ringtone, and select the sound you like. So that's how you change the ringtone sound on your iPhone.